Good afternoon, students. In the last lecture we have discussed about the structure of pollen grain. Now today we will deal with the development of male gametophyte. Now the nucleus of the microspores begins to divide very soon after it is formed. Its division is usually quicker in the warmer climate than in the cooler regions. That means the division takes place quickly when there are the warmer conditions, the climatic conditions, they are warm. On that stage the nuclear division is quick. Such divisions may begin even before the microspores dissociate from the tetrad condition. Now when the pollen is lodged on the stigma, usually its nucleus has already divided. Now the microspores cell divides into two very unequal cells with the smaller cell attached to the wall. Later soon it loses contact with the wall and becomes the lens shape generative cell. That means here in this condition the generative cell is formed, floating freely in the cytoplasm of the large vegetative or tube cell. It is then in the binucleate or two cell stage. As the pollen germinate, the pollen tube comes out through a germ pore. The vegetative nucleus produces the generative cell. The generative cell soon divides mitotically to form two male gametes, and this action is known as spermatogenesis. The gamete nuclei are enveloped in cytoplasmic sheaths, thus forming gamete cells. At a later stage, the two male gamete cells are seen to follow the vegetative nucleus. You can see the vegetative nucleus in the figure also. Soon the vegetative nucleus, which seems to be of no importance, being a mere vestigial organ, disappears. After some times the vegetative nucleus disappears. As the pollen is the microspore, the content within the pollen and the pollen tube formed by the germination of the microspore is the male gametophyte of angiosperm. Now this is the male gametophyte. While the male gametophyte thus usually develops after the pollen has germinated, there are many instances where it develops within the pollen before the pollen tube is formed, and in some cases even before the pollination. Trinucleate pollens with tube nucleus and two gamete cells are observed in such cases. Such trinucleate pollen formation is the rule in many plants. For example, Portulaca, especially the cereal crops like wheat, rice, maize of Gramineae and sugarcane of the family. That means in this Gramineae family, in which the plants like wheat, rice, maize, all the cereals, we call these plants as cereals. In these plants, such type of nucleus is formed, and which give rise to trinucleate pollens. In this way, this is the overall development of male gametophyte.